Angie has hiccups.
Alright.
And we're trying to use different methods of getting rid of these unruly hiccups. What was that even?
What was that even?
Oh, no. Alright, we have to put an end to this.
Okay.
Now. Out of control. Alright, Angie. Now, on the count of 3, I'm gonna.
Let's see.
Lesson number 1.
Scaring?
Scaring.
You already scared me. Now you're just weirding me out.
But do you have it? Oh, fuck.
Alright, holding your breath.
Oh, I don't have to do that. No, you
Just me.
Yeah.
I hiccuped and drooled and laughed at the same time.
But do you still have hiccups?
Let's see.
Oh, fucking shit. I'm putting all my energy into this. You could try.
Alright, wait, actually, I mentally I can make my hiccups go away. Hold on. Just give me silence. Hold on. They're gone.
No, they're not one. You're trying to hold one in right now.
No. You can't hold in hiccups. They're
You're
involuntary.
trying.
I am actually one of the only people I know who can voluntarily
I'm watching
make
you
the
like a
hiccups shut up.
hawk.
Hmm?
I'm watching you like a hawk.
I got him to stop. I can do it voluntarily. I just need to silence. I meditate.
No way.
Yeah. I do it all the time. What you do is you just silence and you just say, every time you feel a hiccup coming on, you just suppress it.
That sounds really like you're not supposed to do that in therapy or something.
It's not my feelings.
It might be. Yeah.
Look, I don't have hiccups anymore. Look at that. Bomb.com. I have a lazy eye.
I can bring them back.
How? You're just stealing my hiccups from me.
Just wait!
I hope you get the hiccups. I hope you get the hiccups.
You don't have any faith in me, my practices. That's fine. Shoot me down.
Look at my cute coasters.
Fine.